Hello everyone, welcome to the A Struggler Trader Self Podcast episode 1. And before starting the show, I'll just confirm you that here you don't get holy grail strategy. Here you don't get gold tips. Here you don't get fancy lifestyle updates. And here also you don't get a fatty P&L statement or a profitable screenshot or screen sharing or anything which will help you to hit your dopamine and keep you self motivated based on the videos you guys are watching to be in the trading industry. Here I am going to show you a struggling trader who still uh, having expectations or waiting or still having hope to become a successful trader, and from 2020, from last 6 years still he did not made anything. Yes, it's me, and my name is Chandrasekhar, and I would like to recognize myself as a trade with CSG in the YouTube channel and also all other platform as a trader. And I know after 6 years I'm not profitable. After 6 years I did nothing other than getting humbled by the market. I have started my journey in 2020 in the Indian market, where before everyone hits to the market due to the COVID. The many traders who become successful and showing their fancy lifestyles are mentoring people, some of them genuine and most of them like fake. Before they enter into the market, I have entered to the market, but still I'm struggling. Why I'm struggling? I don't know. Maybe I am dumb, or maybe I'm distracted. Maybe I'm still searching for the holy grail strategy which doesn't exist on earth. Anywhere in the universe there is no holy grail strategy. And what's now? Yes, now I am humbled and I know there is no holy grail strategy. I know whoever makes money, they don't have more than 60% winning strategy. Nobody has on earth. Yes, I tell you. Maybe with luck, people might have one for a month, 2 months, 3 months. Let's keep it a year. But if you take the long run, what I understand is nobody has a holy grail strategy which more than 60% win rate. And then how still they are profitable, and why not me? The only difference is psychology, because I know where the money will come. I know how to become a profitable trader, but still I'm not doing anything. Why? After knowing I'm not able to do it, why? Because of my psychology. There is no self-control at all. And as I told you, I have started my career on 2020, entering into Indian stock market, where we used to get margins, huge margins in Indian market, so-called expiration strategy, buying, selling, many more. But when I entered the market, maybe God came to know that I may ruin my life with this. So immediately implemented strict rules in the Indian market. When I entered, COVID hit. There are many traders opened their account, and that is the peak time where everyone opened their account in the stock market. And government started cutting all the facilities they have given for the trader. For example, giving margin, multiple expiries, and still many more was not regulated that time. But later on, when I entered, everything started getting regulated. All the leverages and everything started getting removed. And I was thinking, oh, maybe God doesn't like me to be a successful, or maybe somebody is watching me. That's why they are putting, they are bringing, they are influencing people who have control in the market or in the government, and they are bringing, new rules. But I did not understand that all this happened to save me at that time. Of course, I was working. I am still working, and when I started, I was earning a 25,000 salaries with a commitment of more than 50 to 1 lakhs a month because my financial planning was worst and pathetic. And if that time, if this all these rules was not implemented, I might have ended my life over there. So I did not get scope only to try with money and experiment all the you know things are available at that time. Then unfortunately I left Indian market. Why? Because I was not having capital enough. Even still today, after 6 years, even now also I don't have money to buy a 5k funded account which cost around $30. This is the situation I'm in right now. Maybe the various region, I will tell you, I mean, in upcoming days, in upcoming episodes, but this is what my current situation right now. And as I told you, I was not able to afford such things. So unfortunately, I quit. Before I was quitting, I was having an account in then where I used to do option trading with the edge with the capital of 30 to 50,000, and that year I closed trade in a profitable way. But yes, the capital was very low. I have made you can say like 5 to 10% profit I have made. I will show you in the future in the upcoming episodes all the screenshots or all the P&L lively. But I closed Indian market in a positive way, becoming a profitable in option selling. But I did not like to continue over there. I just quit. Later on, I jumped into various crypto markets like DCX coin, Delta Exchange, many other things. And other than trading, I have tried so many stuff to make money in online. Yes, of course, everything failed because nothing such as true. Everything is just a scam. And later on, I have spent so many hours in my life, so many days, months together, and also I have spent a lot of money to buy a fancy Indian influencer so-called course and many other stuff which didn't help me at all. And later on, I came to know what is forex market and everything. Then I opened my Xness account, which is still have, but I am not using the way. I mean, the because of I don't have enough capital to trade, and I have tried so many things. Even with that, it doesn't help me. Later on, I got introduced to profirm trading, and today we are talking about only profirm trading, the journey I have gone through. All the before things, if you guys wanted to know in detail way, let me know in the comment section so that I will cover up in my next episode. And today we are going to talk about my profirm journey. And as I told you, here you're not going to get any fancy lifestyle update, or you're not going to get any holy grail strategy, or even the P&L, the lakhs of dollars P&L, because I'm still not a profitable trader. And I just wanted to tell you, even in the profirm, I did so many researchers and I tried many other, but I stuck with two profirms. One is the 5% profirm. They are the old industry, the old firm in the industries, and also the fundingpips. Fundingpips, the currently trending profirm across I think Asia. So these two profirm I have stuck to, and I started trying with it. And I'll just take you through the dashboard, and I will show you the 5% account. I blown 7 accounts continuously. Yes, you heard it right. I blown up all 7 of accounts, and also in the fundingpips I blown off 2 accounts. In 5% accounts, out of 7 accounts, I think 1 I have passed phase 1, and in the phase 2 I have failed. Rest others I failed in the initial time. And fundingpips, my first account I failed in phase 2, and my second account I failed in phase 1. And I'll just take you through the thing. Here we are in my fundingpips account. Hey Chandra, this is my name, and I don't know what does this mean. So as you guys can see, this is the 2 account I have failed. This is my 5k step 2 account, I passed phase 1, and if I go here, I'll show you the all the things what all I have done. Yes, I have passed my phase 1 profit criteria. I made $400, which is 8% of 5k, and as you guys can see, my win rate was 47%, my average lose was 27, and average win was 47. My profit factor 1.55. And as you guys can see, this phase 1 I have started on March 3rd, and March 16th I have passed. I mean, almost 14 days I have passed. I mean, within 3 weeks I have passed my phase 1. Then I got my phase 2 account. Here, successfully I breached it, but I fought. So many up and downs happens. Maybe win rate is 30%, 22 and 40. Actually, average lose and average win is almost 1:2. The only thing is the win rate. Maybe it affected my psychology, and as you guys can see, you don't see much more green other than only red. So I lost phase 2, and then I bought one more account. This I lost day before yesterday at night, exceeding my limit. As you guys can see, I went up to $200. I mean, 50% of my target were achieved, but I could not hold anymore. And as you guys can see, my win rate is pathetic. My risk reward also in a worse situation. I don't know, maybe psychology issues, and I failed it. So this is my funding pips. Let me take you through the Fiverr account. Here it is, my achievements. As you guys can see, I failed my first 2.5k account, and I failed my second 2.5k account, and I failed again third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I think fifth I passed first phase and I took second phase. Then second phase I failed it. Later on I took bootcamp 20k account, which is in the phase 1 they give 5k, and I blonde it successfully. Let me show the start. So as you guys can see, I mean, this is my initial day of entering prop firm. As you guys can see here, you can see the improvements, but again the recent account performed in very pathetic way. Here I used to trade all the pairs, all the currencies. As you guys can see, gold, USD JPY, Euro USD, NCD USD, everything I used to trade, and see my win rate. But when you come here, I just stuck to 2 pair. Even I am not supposed to trade XOUSD, but I did. I mean, this is also one of the reason to fail. I supposed to stick with only Ethereum. So still have a time to reset my account. Here I can show you. Still have a 5 days, 6 hours 23 minutes to reset my account with a 10% discount. Yes, I'm going to do, and I will show you in my next video by taking this, and I started documenting each and every trade or each and every journey of my trading from today onwards with my other episodes, what I'm going to do. And this is how currently I am, and here I am. And you guys can maybe thinking like, then why I have made this stupid dumb video where there's no strategies, there is no P&L, there is no fancy lifestyle, or there is nothing to make a video and attract people. Then why I have made this such a dumb video? Because people like me, there are plenty of crores of, I mean, I can't say crores, even I don't know, maybe thousands of people in India especially struggling, failing, blowing account by account every single day. So that is the reason I have made this video, to show them, boss, you are not alone. There are plenty people like me. There are multiple people like me. Even the people like me who are watching this video, comment in the comment section. Have you guys gone through same thing or worse than this or better than this? But still you guys are not recognized as a profitable trader. Because boys, I'll tell you, out of 100 people, maybe 1 to 5%, the people who we are seeing in the YouTube era, I mean in the YouTube channel, showing their fancy lifestyle. But rest of the 95 people out of 100 are struggling like me, losing money like me, and every day trying new strategies, every day jumping from one influencer to another influence, every day they are jumping from one industry to another industry, or one instrument to another instrument, and their life keep going. And I am 6 year, I mean unsuccessfully I have completed my 6 year in the trading industry. And there are many criticizers or many people may question me in the comment section saying, boss, 6 years maybe I have achieved this much, or 6 years maybe I could have earned millions of dollars. But the reality is, there are people who succeeded in 6 months, who still not succeeded more than 25 years, or after spending their entire career, still they have not succeeded. So it takes, I mean, everyone has their own phase, own time, and maybe everyone mindset is totally different. So everyone has their own rhythm to perform. So this is my 6th year, and I can say still I am not profitable, but still my stats are showing I'm in the game, because I know what all the changes happen in me, and I know how really money will happen. I mean, money will come into account. The only thing is, I just need to tune my mindset and have patience and consistently focusing on my trading. So that is what I'm going to do, and that's why this video started from today, saying self podcast from a struggling trader. And I will start, and I started, and I will continue to do this episodes until I make it. And trust me, boss, when I made it and when I turn back, all this episode will definitely inspire plenty of people. Maybe not you today, or not anybody today, but definitely this will inspire to the people who all are struggling like me. And I just wanted to tell that never give up. Even I don't do, and I'm going to make this happen. And this is the video all about today, and we'll see you in the next second episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.